Sukup Manufacturing Company is the world's largest family-owned and operated manufacturer of grain storage, grain drying and handling equipment, and steel buildings. The company is headquartered in Sheffield, Iowa, and covers 1 million square feet of office, manufacturing, and warehouse space. The company employs more than 600 people, making it one of the largest employers in north-central Iowa. 3 generations of the family are active in the business. The Sukup product line includes on-farm and commercial grain bins, portable mixed-flow and tower dryers, centrifugal and axial fans and heaters, stirring machines, bin unloading equipment, and bin floors and supports. Sukup also manufactures material handling equipment, including bucket elevators, conveyors, and support structures, and steel buildings. Sukup has 6 distribution centers, and our products are sold throughout the United States and Canada and in more than 85 countries worldwide. Since 2001, Sukup has been manufacturing and selling grain bins. Our farm bins and smaller commercial bins range from 15 feet to 60 feet in diameter, but we also offer commercial bins with diameters up to 165 feet. Our sidewall sheets are coated with Super Shield for enhanced color uniformity and a clean, oil-free surface that won't attract dirt and grime. Sukup offers one of the most innovative lines of grain dryers available. Our cross-flow dryers utilize the patented quad-meter roll system for accurate moisture control. Our mixed-flow dryer line is the only vacuum-cooled option on the market. Quiet centrifugal fans, excellent grain quality, and higher test weights. They all use the QuadraTouch Pro controller and can optionally be controlled using your cell phone. The heavy-duty paddle sweep is a safe and efficient unload that cleans your drying floor right down to the planks. It can be retrofitted to all existing 8-inch and 10-inch power sweeps. Sukup Air Systems can have an optional VFD or automatic bleed valve to maintain optimum pressure, ensuring the best possible grain quality. It utilizes the same PLC components as the dryers. A popular material handling innovation is the Sukup Double Run Conveyor. Heavy gauge tubing is now standard, and the double run causes less grain damage than a portable auger. Heavy-duty construction ensures quiet, long-lasting operation. Sukup also builds bucket elevators and conveyors featuring Dodge components and a low-impact head design. Our full line of products makes us the one-stop shop for equipment that'll maximize your profits. In addition to our on-farm and commercial agriculture products, Sukup has also created the patented Sukup Safe T-Home. This hurricane-proof shelter is used for homes, medical clinics, schools, and orphanages in Haiti and around the world. Learn more about all of our product lines at sukup.com.